guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie, if you didn't know that already. Welcome back to Avatar World episode 13. I usually don't post Avatar World Series this often, and I'm pretty happy I am now doing so. I just uploaded episode 12 yesterday and episode 11 last week. So be ready to see more Avatar World Series. I want to take a little bit of a break from Toka World, but of course you will be getting that a lot as well because my Roblox content, I'm still on that little break, sorry. And if you guys don't know why I've not been posting Roblox recently much, is because I used to play this fake Murder Mystery 2 game. Don't come at me, who cares? But it's kind of like deleted right now, like it's not available. So I'm waiting for that game to start back up, and then I'll start playing Roblox more often. But until now, I'm posting Toka World and Avatar World now. So yeah. Sorry about that. Anyways, I just did my intro, guys. So welcome back to Avatar World episode 13 it is. Today we thought that we should go on a little, well, not a little trip, but we should go somewhere for the day. You know, for some summer fun. Me and Henry have actually just been talking about it, and we thought it would be a good idea to go fishing today. It would be super cute, and Henry could definitely teach Penelope some life skills. So we should probably go get her now. Totally. Penelope. Hi, Mom and Dad. Hi, playing some Roblox or something? Yep, well, I'm gonna turn that off for a little bit. We gotta tell you something. Yep. What is it? We thought it would be a really good idea if we went on a camping trip. All three of us. Wouldn't that be fun? A camping trip? Not really a camping trip. It's a fishing trip, though. You know, there's gonna be tents there. It's not gonna be a camping trip where we stay overnight. Don't worry about that. We're just gonna go there for the day and probably go home in like an hour. Okay. It's called a camping trip because we're going to a camping site where other people are at. Okay, we could do that. Well, you guys could go get ready if you want to do any of your beauty stuff. No, I'm alright. I did everything this morning. Yeah, I don't want to put any makeup to make anything. I don't know. Like, I don't want to get sweaty just for my makeup to fall off. And guys, we did remodel our kitchen a little bit. Not much has changed. But our fridge is over here now. Our pantry stuff is here. And our sink is over here now. And it's a little less crowded. This stuff is still the same. We should probably get going now then. Yeah, let's get going then. Let me get the credit card though. And we should definitely take this thing. This is like a hiking guide kind of stuff. Let me take this water bottle. And we can pack this bag. This one. No. Alright, do we need anything else? We should probably I would take our phones, but I don't need Penelope. Where are you getting Elena from, Dad? My name is Penelope. Sorry, it's just one of my friends has a daughter named Penelope. Okay. Well, Now, I don't want Penelope using our phones, and I know it's better. It's more likely she'll use this iPad, but let's just take this iPad in case we need to call anything. Just in case. Alright, then let's get going. Everything alright, Penelope? You seem a little spaced out. Oh, yeah, Mom, everything's alright. I'm just reading this manual guiding thing Dad brought with us. Oh, does it say anything important? It's alright. It's just really a guide. Okay, let's get going then, fam. We can talk more later. The fishing site should be right here. Of course, there are some fish from other people that came here before. Fox! Whoa. Keep away from the wild animals, maybe. Yeah. Well, if you two want to fish, you could do that. I'm gonna read a little of this book you brought with us. Yeah. Okay then. Get up here, Penelope. Coming. Alright, you're gonna want to put this bait on the line. It's on. Now throw the hook. And now we wait. Well, we got something. Reel it in. Yikes. Tough luck. You do it. Look, you already got another one from your other. That's how you do it, Penelope. We don't need any of that, nonsense. Let's not throw it back in the ocean. Let's just put it to the side, though. Let me try this one again. It's a big one. Ooh. Wow, Dad is so professional. It's not my fault everyone keeps throwing this in. One more time. Oh, help me reel this one in. Woo. Okay, there we go. See, I already got 3. It's your turn to get more than just a raggedy old can. And then we could make your mother do one. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. People are so dirty in the ocean. How many more? Mommy, look! It's my first fish! What? What's going on? Oh my gosh! Congratulations! That's amazing! Thanks, Mom! Do you want to try, Soph? No. Still reading this. I think your mother's a little scared to try fishing. It's alright though, we don't have to do any of that with her. Alright, I think I'm gonna take a little break. If you want to keep fishing, you can, okay? But we just started this. Yeah, I've caught a lot recently. I gotta throw these out. Yeah. Hi, where's the garbage? Where's the garbage? Here it is. Who just leaves a random backpack here? Ooh, marshmallows. I know stealing is a bit of a crime, but we also have a guide as well. If Sophie wants to try reading that. I'll take this. Let me ask. Excuse me, ma'am? Yes, come here, please. Is this backpack belonging to anyone? Oh, no, that's my backpack. I leave it there for, anybody that wants to check it out. I usually bring some surprises in there for some people to find out. Oh, that's cool. So you can take whatever's in there. Thank you. Wow, such luck. People are never that nice. Found some marshmallows and a guide if you want to read it, so. Sure, give it. Okay. It looks like we're near the mountains, so that's pretty cool. Eeh, forget about that fox. Speaking of marshmallows and food and all that, would anyone want to come with me to get something to eat? Oh, me please, me please. Alright then, we'll go get something. And you can keep fishing your little heart and soul away, Henry. Okay then. Let's go. Hello, welcome to the pizzeria. How may I serve you today? Hi. I would like to make an order. Yep, we have plenty of orders. What would you like? Let's see. Can we get a pepperoni? What should we get? Pepperoni. Plain. How about we get? Can we get one pizza with a side salad and a drink? Yes. Here. Pepperoni. And then can I get 2 more cups? 2 cups? There are some extra cups over there, so you could just grab that. Okay, thank you. Is that a to-go or here? It's a to-go. Alright, pizza, side salad, drink. Here's another drink, and yeah. Alright, I know Henry will want this one, but you pick what drink you want. Raspberry, obviously. Alright. And one more thing. What else? Can I also get 1 ice cream? Yeah. Vanilla. Okay, that will be $12.99. It's not that bad, actually. Alright, thank you for shopping. Thank you for coming to the pizzeria. Come back soon. In the future, you'll be a well-respected customer. Alright, bye. Alright, Henry, we're back. Yep, and we got pizza. Pizza? I've been doing my own fair share of getting fish. There you go. At least 10. Alright. Here is your drink. We have a pizza, and I'm all expecting you to have a little salad. So, everyone get 1 slice. And 1 more. Alright. Everyone can sit down and enjoy now. Thank you for the pizza. Dad, I should be the one sitting over there. Here, kid, you just got another. There. You deserve to sit there. You're a fisher. Ugh. let's eat. This is so good. Mom, can we get pizza every day? If we got pizza every day, you probably wouldn't like it that much. You would eventually get sick of it and maybe throw up. Yeah. Alright, just put your drinks here so we could throw them out in a little bit. And there's more pizza. How about some salad and pizza for everyone? Oh my gosh, I knew you bought that salad not just for yourself. Obviously not. We all need to improve in our eating habits. And then we could save the rest of this for later. One more slice. And I'll even eat some salad. Good choice. Me personally, I've been eating healthy, so I could have a little cheat day. Of course. Well, how about we finish up over here, and then we can chat with some of the other people over here? Yeah, we could chat with some of them. Alright, I got this. We could keep the marshmallows, right? I would take the guide as well. Alright, let's go. Okay, guys, we just went right back home. We did talk to some other campers and had a few conversations for a while. But now that that is over, we are finally home. Let me put this stuff away. Alright. Pick up your water bottle. Let's go. Alright, let's put the tablet back. I don't know why we took these cups, even though they're empty. You forgot to throw them out. And by the time you remembered, we were like in our driveway. Yeah. Well, you could save that pizza. Alright, we could throw these away. We could put the marshmallows somewhere. Right there is good. Alright, pick this cup up. Now let's go throw this stuff away and get ready for bed. Oh, I'm nice and tired. We could throw it away right here. Okay, I'm gonna put my Stanley down. If my pencil case could get out of the way, that would be nice. Okay. Well, since my mom and dad said we should get ready for bed, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's take this off, this off, this off, and yeah. Let's open my accessory box. Put those away. And I don't know what all these shoes are doing. They're supposed to be in here. Okay. No pajamas, pajamas, pajamas. I am known for making up really cute fits, so I'm glad this one came out real nice. Let's put this outfit away, because this is my party dress for when we're doing other stuff. And I'm going to listen to some music for a minute. after I brush my teeth, so. Okay. Let me put some of this on. My teeth. Right there. And we could brush. I don't need a mirror to know how to brush my teeth. Like, I'm fine. Brush, brush, brush. Alright. Let me put some lotion on. And some hair gel on my hair. And I'm good. Now before going to bed, I'm probably just going to sit here and just play a little something real quick before Mom and Dad say screen time is over. Alright, let's get ready for bed. First thing to do is take all this off. 1, 2, your hat cannot go in here for whatever reason, so let's just put them on top. Yeah. We put that away. Sorry. Let me take my shoes off. And I put these shoes somewhere else. Let me take mine and just put them right here. Alright, I got my clothes in this little bag I have here. Let's get our pajamas on. Right here. And there. This is where I got my outfit. Now, if you want to get dressed, go ahead. And there we go. Alright. Let me get my sleeping mask. And do you mind saying goodnight to, Penelope later? I don't really feel like it. Damn. I don't mean it in a mean way. I mean it like I'm just really tired and I need to get to sleep now. I will lose my head if I stay up any longer. Yes, yeah, I can say goodnight for you to her. Thank you. I'm just tired. That's all. I'm not a bad mom. Don't come at me. Don't. Alright, toothpaste. And toothpaste goes right there. And let's brush our teeth. You sure you don't want to say goodnight to her? Don't worry, I already changed my mind. I will say goodnight. Her room is right here anyway, so might as well just get it over with. Alright, Penelope, it's time for bed. The sun's going down. Give that. Oh, fine. Let me undo your hair real quick. Come on. Alright, there we go. Hop into bed. Good night, my sunshine. Good night, Mom. Good night, kiddo. Good night, Dad. Alright. Should probably turn that light off. Turn this light off. And there we go. We got a lot of light in this house. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share, and all that. If you don't know, if you didn't see my intro already, I will inform you one last time. Again, I know I haven't been posting Roblox content. I'm really sorry about that and all, but, I used to play this old fake MM2 game. I kind of liked because I got free weapons. I know it's not really that great of an idea to play fake MM2, but I've told you guys already, I never faked playing the real one or any of that. But anyway, that game has been like updating for a few months now, and I don't know when I'll be able to play it again. But in the meantime, I've been posting Toka and Avatar World content. I hope you guys could bear with me. And yeah, I'm just taking a little break from Toka for this week, and I will not be able to post next week because I will be in Paris. Yeah, I'll tell you more about that next episode or video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.